means trouble-free. Ship shape means being neater. Ship shape makes boat work easier. Ship shape is the way to go. The Ship Shape Boat Care Show.
It's good to have you working around the boat with us on Ship Shape TV. I'm John Grabiscus. What I'm doing here is I'm removing the boot off of our 1978 Stamets project boat. In fact, Nick and I are going to be removing the engine and Outdrive completely in order to fill in the transom, hang a bracket, and retrofit this boat with outboard power. Get ready, it's time to make your boat Ship Shape.
Ship Shape, America's favorite boat improvement show, is being brought to you in part by Mid-Island Marina, home of the VIP guarantee. And by Calusa Isle Marina, an entire island devoted to you and your boat. And by Fort Myers Beach Marina, over 60 years of doing things right.